What's up? Okay, so why are you confused with quiet? Okay, let's go.
Because we're the noisiest friend ever.
The fuck?
Yeah, we're the noisiest friend ever. By the way, there's, what is it called? Is that a clean up drive or not?
Yeah.
So look guys, we will show you. This is our arm. This is our shop for where we have our
Guys, we could teleport, right? Teleport, look. Oh, manga. Teleport!
guys.
See? I told you, teleport.
We teleport, guys. By the way, we're gonna teleport to.
Oh my god!
We're at the truck. See? Look, it's the truck.
Wait.
It's very big. Yes, a joke. By the way, guys, we're gonna about to make videos every day, but if we don't, because we are busy doing something and maybe the phone is low battery, so that is why we can't make videos.
Let's go! Let's go there in the house! Oh, my god!
gosh. As you can see, we teleported down.
Yeah. Run, tayo pa eh. Ay, Victoria, tutin, parang pagbigat
Patel, patunogin na ang bell. Round 1 na tayo, pre. Sabi ni Alfredi Lim, wala daw kamatayan. Si Vice Isko Moreno, Mayor pinaplater. Puro na lang away, pati may ay nadadamatik. Pag di nyo yan kinigilan, kasundin niya ni kamatayan. Isko Moreno versus Alfredi. Control your temper, so don't be angry.